Definite article the will be pronounced as either the or the, depending on the sound of the word following it. If the word begins with a vowel sound, the will be pronounced as the. If the word begins with a consonant sound, it will be pronounced as the. Let's see some examples. I'm still in the office. They're studying in the park. The article is worth reading. The flowers smell sweet. Samantha is carrying the umbrella. Lisa is reading the book. The only time we have the liberty to say the with words beginning with consonant sound is when we want to lay emphasis or make our sentences emphatic. For example, Steve is the best player in the region. Mark is the right person for the job. We are the number one team in the tournament.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Enliven English. Download the app now.